grapefruit. Now, repeat after me. Grapefruit, grapefruit. Meaning, a grapefruit is a large, round citrus fruit with a thick yellow or pink skin and juicy flesh that is sweet, tangy, or slightly bitter. It is often eaten fresh, juiced, or used in salads. In a sentence, she started her morning with a bowl of grapefruit slices for breakfast. Here, grapefruit refers to the fruit she ate. Let's try another example. The bartender used fresh grapefruit juice to create a refreshing cocktail. Now it's your turn. If you understand the word, comment below with your own sentence using grapefruit. Synonyms. Some related terms for grapefruit are citrus, a group of fruits that includes grapefruits, oranges, and lemons. Pomelo, a close relative of the grapefruit, larger and less bitter. Antonyms. The opposite of grapefruit would be none. As grapefruit is a specific fruit, it doesn't have a direct opposite. Part of speech. Grapefruit is a noun referring to a large citrus fruit with juicy, tangy flesh. Subscribe for more words like this. See you.